Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Assess Chapter 1 Simulation Exam. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your exam by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, medical and many more online courses. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I will handle your complete course with A plus grade. You will be free from this course. I will do your art simulation training, art simulation exam, midterm exam and final exam. You can scan my WhatsApp in the first slide of this video and directly come on my WhatsApp chat, and you can click on my WhatsApp link. My WhatsApp link is given in the description, and you can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat, and we will deal for this complete course. I will do your art simulation training, art simulation exam, all assignments, project, midterm exam and final exam with A plus grade. Now I am going to start my exam to solve step by step. Question number 1 is that start assess. Okay. Open the file A01H1DVDS. We will click on this file and go to the browse. We will go to our download folder or document. We will select this file, click on open button. Save the copy of the database with the file name A01H1DVDS student name in the document folder. We will go to the file tab and then go to the save as, Okay, save this copy as this name A01H1DVDS student name. Student name, click on save button. 1 second. DVDS students name. Review the security warning and then enable the content. We will simply click on enable the content. Question number 1 is completed now. The question number 2 is that from the navigation pane, open the general codes table. We will double click on general code table. The general code table will be opened. Switch the view of the general code table from data sheet view to design view. We will switch the general code table from data sheet view to design view. Basically, in this question, we will open the table and design view. Right click on general code table and then click on design view button. This table will be open in design view. Collapse the queries group so that the queries object no longer display. Okay, now we will collapse the query group so that the queries object no longer display. We will collapse this query group. Open the relationship window. We will go to the data tab. Design tab, and then open in the relationship group, open relationship window. Create a relationship report and save the report using the name suggested in the save as dialog box. In this question, we will have to create a relationship report. Okay, in the tools group, click on relationship report. Okay, and save this dialog box. Question number 2 is completed. The question number 3 is that open the DVD titles table and data sheet view. We will double click on DVD titles table in the navigation pane, and DVD titles table will be opened, and then we will open this table in data sheet view. Okay, we will go to the navigation pane, double click on DVD titles table. In the 12th record, change the genre from HOR to DRA, press tab. We will go to the 12th record and then we will change the genre from HOR to DRA. We will change this HOR to DRA and then press tab and then undo the change. Change the genre to DRA again and then press tab. Close the DVD titles table. We will change the genre to DRA again. Okay, and press tab and close the table. Close the general course table. Right click on this, click on close button. This table will be closed. The next question of this exam is question number 5. Open the DVD titles from in form view. Okay, open the DVD titles form in form view. Okay, we will go to the navigation pane and then we will open this DVD title form. Double click on this DVD title form. Use the next record button to display the fourth record and then use the previous record button to display the third record. First we will use the next record button to display the fourth record and then use the previous record button to display the third record. Okay, we will use the next record button to display the fourth record. Okay, and use previous record button to display third record. Okay. In the DVD titles form, search for the DVD title field containing the word park in any part of the field and then close the find dialog box. We will go to the search box and then we will search the park word. Title field containing park P A. Okay. Create a new blank record in the form. We will have to create a new blank record in form. In the DVD LD feed enter 22 in the DVD titles. Okay, we in the DVD LD we will enter 22 in the DVD titles feed enter Ghostbusters. We will DVD titles we will type Ghostbusters and then press tab. Okay, you can see question is completed now. The next question is question number 5 of this exam. Open the DVD titles table in data sheet view. We will double click on DVD titles table in the navigation pane. The DVD title table will be opened and then we will open this table in data sheet view. Okay. Select the DVD ID 22 Ghostbusters from DVD titles table. Begin to delete the record. When the Microsoft Access message display, click no to indicate that you do not want to delete the record at the time. Okay, we will go to the DVD edit 22 title table. Begin the delete the record. Right click on this and then we will delete the record. You are about to delete one record. When the Microsoft Access message display, click no to indicate that you do not want to delete the record at the time. Click on no button. Close the DVD title table. Right click on this. Click on close button. Question is completed now. The next question of this exam is question number 7. Sorry, question number 6. Back up the database using the default file name. Okay, back up the database using the default file name. Please focus on my PC screen and follow my video and you can done your exam by watching this video. If you do not able to do this exam, you can contact me. I will handle your complete exam with A plus grade. Back up the database using the default file name. We will go to the file and then click on info and then click on open button. 1 second, go to the file tab and then save as back up to database. Click on the backup database button and save as. We will click on save button. Question is completed now. The next question of this exam is question number 7. You can see I have done 6 questions so far. Please focus on my PC screen. If you do not able to do this exam, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete exam for you with A plus grade and I will do this complete course for you with A plus grade. In the fourth record of the DVD titles table, okay, select the genre field ACT. Use filter by selection to find all records that have a genre field equal to ACT. Okay, in the fourth record of the DVD titles table, select the genre field ACT. Use filter by selection to find all records that have a genre field equal to ACT. We will go to the fourth record. Okay, select the genre field. Okay, ACT. Use filter by selection to find all record. Use filter by selection to all record. We will go to the file tab. Home tab. In the sort and filter group, click on selection button. Okay. Toggle the filter off. Okay, we will click on toggle the filter off in the sort and filter group. Question is completed now. The next question of this exam is question number 8. In the fourth record of the DVD titles table, select the genre ACT and use the filter by selection to filter the data for record do not contain the selected genre. You can read this question. Now we will go to the fourth record of DVD titles table. Select the genre ACT and use by filter by selection. Go to the home tab in the sort and filter group. Click on selection button. Okay. Use filter by selection to filter the data for record that do not contain the selected genre. Okay. Go to the selection and do not. We will click on does not contain ACT. Okay. Question is completed now. The next question of this exam is question number 9. In the DVD titles table, enable the filter by font feature. Okay. Enable the filter by font feature in the DVD titles table. We will go to the home tab in the sort and filter group, click on advanced button and then okay. Select Steven Spielberg from the director list and then press tab. Okay, we will select Steven Spielberg from the director list. We will go to the director list and then we will select Steven Spielberg from. Okay, we will go to the director list and then right click on this arrow. Now we will select Steven Spielberg. Where is Steven Spielberg is here. Okay. Add the criteria that will find record for which the release year is before 1990. Press enter and then click toggle filter. Okay, basically in this question we will have to add a criteria that will find record for which the release year before 1999. Sorry, 1990. We will go to the release year and then we will select the record. Right click on this arrow. Okay, before 1999. Sorry, 1990. And then press enter and then click the toggle filter. Go to the home tab in the sort and filter group. Click on toggle filter button. Question is completed now. Now I am going to do 10 questions of this simulation exam. I have done 9 questions so far. Sort the DVD titles table in the ascending order. We will go to the home tab in the sort and filter group. We will click on ascending order button. DVD title table will be sorted in ascending order. Okay. You can see here. Now I am going to sort the DVD titles table as ascending order by the DVD title field. We will select DVD titles field first and then we will sort the DVD titles table is ascending order by the DVD titles field. Select this and then go to the home tab in the sort and filter group. Click on ascending order button. Okay, ascending order button. The next is that sort the table in ascending order by the release year field and note that the title are alphabetically sorted by year. Okay, release year we will sort this release year to ascending order. Go to the home tab, the sort and filter group, click on ascending order button. Okay. Note that the title are alphabetically sorted by year. We will sorted this table. Now question is completed now. I am going to do next question is question number 11 of this exam. Start Microsoft Access. Okay. Select the real estate template and save it in document folder as A01 H3 real estate. We will select this template and then we will save as A01 3 real estate and then click on OK button. Review the security warning and then enable the content of the database. We will simply click on enable the content. Question is completed now. You can see I have done 12 questions of this exam. The total question of exam is 13. I have done 99% exam in my video. Please follow my video and you can done your exam by watching this video. If you do not able to do this exam, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete exam for you with A plus grade. And if you do not ever do this course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will handle your complete course. I will do your R simulation training, R simulation exam, midterm exam, and final exam with A plus grade. And please reach me out for your other courses help like my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, my lab Assess, Java, C++, finance, nursing, macroeconomics, web development, C++, and many more online courses. You can simply contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will handle your complete course with A plus grade. And my WhatsApp scanner is given the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and directly come on WhatsApp chat. My WhatsApp number and email are shown on my bottom of the screen. If you don't have WhatsApp, you can contact me on email. I will deal for you. I will deal with you for this course. And my WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.